So this is Google Earth Studio and how to use it. But we're first going to start with quick starts projects. So let's just do a Zoom 2 project. But in case if you're wondering, there's point to point, orbit, spiral, and fly to an orbit. For this quick starts demonstration, we're going to do Zoom 2, which is probably the easiest one. So just the point of your interest. So let's just say we wanted to see Mount Everest, or we'll do Chicago. Chicago, specifically the Willis Tower. I should probably type that. The Willis Tower. Oh wait, now I have to type the Sears Tower then, I guess. It's not working, so I'll just go with Chicago then. There. And then I'll find it. As the Sears Tower. So, yes. And the starting altitude is 100. It's glitchy. It's glitchy. Oh, now it's better. It would be kind of cool if it was this high, so I'm gonna go. So it's like a really long skydive. Oof. It's a very long skydive. So let's go at 20 seconds. And then now we'll see it from the beginning. It just suddenly flipped for some reason. And then you get to the Willis/Sears Tower. It'd be kind of funny if they name it the Weir's Tower. Willis plus Sears equals Weir's. Okay, so here we have it. Just the quick start. So if you want it to be better, well, not better, but like just look, you can add these additions. So for now, we're just gonna do time of day. And change the time of day with this. So let's say it's noon GMT. And let's see it. It's gonna flip once we get near Lake Michigan, which is weird in my opinion. Really hard to see right now, and it flipped. It's really hard to see. Yeah, I'm gonna switch it to not 12, not 8:17, to 13 o'clock GMT. Bam. I don't see anything at all. Why is this in 1970? Oh, that's weird. It's in 1970. How about we have it now as, let's just go 20 o'clock GMT. There. This should be fun. Ooh, that's nice. So we have this tilt here too. So we can adjust the tilt of this. So you can see how this is turning out. It flips. But what if we go like this? It looks really cool, actually. Now, I'm just gonna change this to 1/1/2020. Oh, no, still 1970. Okay. Wait, I wonder if the buildings are still. I wonder if the buildings are changing actually. Okay, yeah, we're gonna just see that, and we're gonna say that's good for now. So this is our quick start. So if you want to save, you can just click here, the file option, and click save or save as to save it, or you can import or export it. So yeah, that's really it for the quick starts for now. So we'll come back in the main menu. So let's see again for this.